From Audio Atlantic, the quality sound of Atlantic Canada. Quality sound. That's our goal with all our clients, both professional and amateur. At our studios, your school band, pipe band, church or theater group will have the advantage of the same professional facilities that are available to established recording groups. An example of the result is a new recording by the Halifax School System Ukulele Band. Bringing a song to life in the studio can be an exciting process for artist and engineer alike. With this demo tape, Kevin McMichael will test the response of record companies and other artists to his song.
You know you make me feel so small. Sometimes I think I'm not a big boy at all. I don't really know what brought you here, but I think you're gonna stay every day, right beside me each and every day. I could never let you run away.
Embodying the Irish musical heritage of Atlantic Canada, Ryan's Fancy has recorded several albums at Audio Atlantic. In their latest single release, they utilized the fine backing of a studio string section from the Atlantic Symphony Orchestra.
Snowman, snow house, hey, play with me. Shake the snow down from the tree. Games once played by you and me. Snow is softly falling. The morning comes.
Country and Western, the ARP synthesizer, a 40-piece concert band. Each recording session is a separate, unique event with its own problems and solutions. One factor alone remains constant in every case: our goal of quality. Audio Atlantic, quality sound, the sound of Atlantic Canada.
Talk about living, talk about loving, talk about all the folks back home. Friends and relations, big celebrations, talking about how the family has grown. All you gotta do is make a call and you'll be sharing all living. Talk about all that you want to say.
The long-distance telephone call, one of the great bargains of our time.
Come and see your friends at Valley View. We took everything new and we got it together for you and our new world that has it all. The everything world of Micmac Mall. Put your trust in the big new name, Central and Nova Scotia. Trust the big new name in service.
May your love lie around you. May you live to understand that the sunshine that surrounds you belongs